to our description on triple threat, our workout of the day that we're doing on Friday. We have a few things going on here. We have cardio, strength, and abs. For the cardio section, they're fairly simple exercises, but if you need any help with any of them, if you're not sure what the name means, feel free to ask a staff member on site. But the goal is to go through all those as quick as you can and then post your time on the whiteboard. For the strength, we have a few exercises there. I'll kind of demonstrate a couple real quick and then go over the final thing on there, the push-ups. So floor press, you'll have dumbbells in your hand laying on the ground. You'll just have those elbows drop down to the floor and then pressing straight back up. On the pec fly, your arms will be straight. You'll drop those arms to the floor, kind of parallel to the side, and then back up straight. The final thing on there is push-ups, kind of a 2-minute plank push-up combination. The goal on that is that you're holding that push-up or that plank for 15 seconds, and then when 15 seconds is up, you get to choose whether you're doing 1, 3, or 5 push-ups. So if you choose 3, you'll do 3 push-ups, and then you continue to hold that plank again until the next 15 seconds are up, and then you'll continue to repeat that for the whole 2 minutes. You can drop down to your knees on that. You can shake your arms out during that plank section if you need to. 2 minutes is a long time, so do what you need to do there. On the ab section, this is all side plank oriented for the most part. In a side plank, you can be straight line from your knees to your head or from your feet to your head. On your knees to your head, you'll just be holding that side plank 45 seconds. The next version is a hand on your head with a twist there, on your knees or on your feet. That next version is going to be hip drops coming up and down, getting your reps in there. And then after that, you did all those sides with whichever side was down. You're going to flip that over. So if you're on the version that says right side up, you'll be flipping over, and then knees to elbow. And that is the cardio, the strength, and the abs for triple threat. If you have any questions, again, you can see a staff member for some assistance, but have fun.